up, everybody? Michael from Law Tigers. Gulf Coastin 2026. Gonna be a blast. Awesome. Give us a hello. All right.
Yes, give us a
Take
hello.
it on. That's right.
Give us a hello.
Hey, how's everybody doing?
Love it. Look at all these fighters. They say they're easily 300 to 400 here now. They're expecting to put them into a thousand. They are all over. A whole lot of excited people. In a great mood. Big friends from Law Tigers are here. And pretty fired up about the day. It's just pretty cool. Somebody brought their horses, you know. Somebody brought a horse to a motorcycle ride. I love it. Thank Bucky's for letting us join up here and do all this fun stuff. And there's my sled. Always got a case of bacon on